Some time ago, I talked about the Seiko 1968, a reissue and reinterpretation of one of the most important Seiko watches in history. In that review, I ranked the watch as the best Seiko watch currently in their catalog. Interestingly, one would think that being the best Seiko watch would be hard to improve upon until this baby arrived. In essence, it is the same watch. It has the same movement, it's the same GMT complication, the same case, but when you look at it, doesn't it really feel different? I've said it many times and I will continue to say it over and over again. Seiko has the best dials on the market and it's not even close. The entire Save the Ocean collection is a crazy lineup of watches, especially when you consider the price point, which is just under $500 or $600. This watch combines the best of both worlds because it merges Seiko's best watch in terms of quality and price with the Save the Ocean initiative. For those who don't know, Save the Ocean is an initiative where Seiko donates a portion of its profits to raise awareness and conservation of the oceans. And it does so wonderfully because the dials are nothing short of spectacular. Now, we will soon make an in-depth video of the Save the Ocean collection, and I will leave it up until the latest part of December because it is a really special video. Now, I think we all feel a connection to the sea, some more than others. But I'm pretty sure many people have a very special memory in the sea or at the beach or even a lake. What makes this watch special, in addition to its stunning dial, is that the entire design was inspired by the glaciers and ice formations in Antarctica and the Arctic. Because these Seiko watches were part of the expedition that took place in 1966 and 1969. I mean, not this watch, but you know, the predecessor of this one. Now, regardless of it being an incredible watch, Seiko has the ability to convey that love for water, for the ocean, and marine conservation through its watches. Additionally, this is a watch that becomes very versatile. And many people wouldn't think so because it's a frosty blue color. But in reality, the color is quite calm in person. And it changes between a very light gray to white and to blue. And if you combine everything with this gray ceramic coated bezel, it looks amazing. In general, the other versions of this watch, referring to the black and green, had a feel of a very expensive watch. But when you see the depth and texture of this dial, it takes it to a completely different level. We also have to consider that it is a limited edition and number watch, which adds an extra premium touch. Something that I really liked is that it comes in a different special box, and it includes an extra strap, which is one of these NATO straps entirely handmade in Japan, known for being incredibly comfortable. If I'm not mistaken, if you want to buy one of these straps, it will cost you around $300. Now, this one is special because it features a snow camouflage pattern with tones of blue, white, and gray. And I think it completely changes the vibe of the watch. Of course, if you want a watch that goes more under the radar, you can go for the black or green version, which are excellent choices. But I believe that this watch is meant to be seen. It conveys the emotion of marine life. Without a doubt, it is a beautiful and just crazy watch. But tell me, which one would you buy out of these three versions?